Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix iPhone lagging after iOS 17 update. So if you guys want to fix this issue that your iPhone is currently lagging after the iOS 17 update, well, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys why is this happening on your device, so please watch this video until the end to find out how. So if you are still that specific user that suspects iPhone is downclocking your processors to decrease performance and basically allow you to experience some lag on your device because of the update, well, it's not necessarily because of the update. One of these reasons as to why this is happening is it could be because of your battery percentage. So if you are using a device that is already dated, you might want to check your battery health levels and see if you are still having a sufficient battery health level that may improve your performance, because having lesser battery health levels could contribute to giving you lesser performance. So you could actually go ahead and tap on your settings and tap on general right here. Now let's tap on battery, or you could also go ahead and back and tap on battery right here. And we are going to see the option to tap on battery health and charging, and also see the maximum capacity of our battery health as you see right here. This also shows us the peak performance capability that built-in dynamic softwares and hardware systems will help counter performance impacts that may be noticed as your phone battery chemically ages. So this might be the reason as to why you might be experiencing some lag on your iPhones. So one quick fix to do this is to go to your nearest Apple help center or Apple service center and basically have your iPhone battery replaced to a new one. This is going to give you more performance and also going to contribute to giving you the best user experience possible as you update your devices as time comes. So that's my advice for you guys if you are experiencing some lag with the new iOS 17 update. And one more thing that we should know is that iPhone continuously provides us with constant updates with the new software. So if you do have a newer version of iOS 17, go ahead and update those as well to the latest version, so that if there are bugs regarding with the iOS 17 software, it is going to be updated and removed, giving you the best user experience possible. So go ahead and update your applications and your iOS softwares to the latest version so that bugs like this would be fixed and more features is going to be added. Now that's basically it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.